Hello Jim, TechBuzz new product Oculus Quest 2 from Facebook, or it's called Meta now. So we've got this new VR headset which we have to unbox, check out. I actually have this a while and never got around to checking it out, so let's have a look on the back and see what we've got. The Star Wars, The Climb, Jurassic World, Beat Saber, Population 1 and Technurse. Next level hardware, easy setup, backwards compatible, which is pretty good, all that kind of stuff there. Requires internet access and a Facebook account. I've seen some people whinging about having to have a Facebook account set up. Just don't buy it if that's the case. I'll stop going on about it. These systems record everything. It's the same as using social media. If you sign up, you're the product and that's it. Deal with it. So let's have a look at the Oculus Quest in the box. And it's a 128GB. Right, so how do we open this guy? These sleeve boxes are a bit of course to get off. Oh, we'll get there. Nice presentation. And this is what we have inside. So we've got our two controllers, which are wireless, like so, which are pretty excellent looking. So you can see down there you've got your controls, and same on this side here. You have a lanyard as well, so you don't let it slip off your hand. And you have the mask itself. Got this base piece here, and in here we have got our charging cable and a booklet. So that's pretty much it. So here is the headset itself, and in here we've got some more stuff. So you've got your lens cap covers here, we'll take them off, and you have your strap here. So that's what it looks like on the outside, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Here you can see the lenses in there. Your head strap goes around top, bottom and sides, which is pretty good, so you're going to be, it's not going to fly off your head when you're using it. And you've got another button down here, and this front doesn't come off. So you can see you've got some sensors and all that kind of stuff around the edges here and the top, and it's pretty solid plastic as well. It looks really comfortable too, with these spongy edges around the face mask area there. And we'll just try and get a closer look inside, like so. And of course it's adjustable like that, and you've got another button here and another piece of paper to protect it. So you have a button here, you have your USB charging here, and that's really about it. So it's just up to getting to use it next and see if it's worth it, because I believe a lot of the games now you have to pay for and all that kind of stuff. I'm not sure what free content there is available there at this day and age, but we'll have a look and check it out. And you can see the Oculus branding up on top there. So that's just a quick first look and unboxing of the Oculus Quest 2 headset, which does not require a computer or PC, which is good. Kind of akin to Samsung Gear, which packed all in that stuff, which is terrible. You also have this here as well. So this is kind of a rubberized band, which some people might prefer. I'm not sure if it's even a spare, but it's probably to go in conjunction with this. But they're in the box as well, and that's pretty much what you're going to get inside it. These are going to run you around 400 or 500 quid, depending where you pick them up, and still on sale today. So we're looking forward to see what's on offer, because I've kind of gone off the VR scene a long time. I was pretty big into it. I have a couple of the Samsung headsets and a couple of the other ones, and all that kind of stuff. PSVR, and that's your silicone cover, as it says on the tag there, and that's it. Scan the QR code for information. So that's what you get in the box anyway. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, drop the comments below, and we'll talk to you soon and let you know how we get on and what our findings are. And of course what's in the store, which is important to have the content to keep you interested, which will be coming up soon. Also, it's the new PSVR headset which we'll be having in as well, so stay tuned for that too. I'll talk to you in the next video on techbuzzireland.com. We'll see you then.